Hello. In today's video, I want to show you how to display the current date in an Excel document using Excel functions. I will demonstrate which functions you can use to show the current date and time in a cell. I'll explain why it's necessary and why functions are used. For instance, many might wonder why they can't just manually enter the current date into a cell. For example, like this. I'll show you the purpose of using these functions and the advantages of doing so, but let's go step by step. Firstly, let's create an Excel file. I'll save it on my computer. I'll name it File Date, as it will be a file for working with dates and cells. Okay, I've done it. Save. In the cell A1, I've manually entered the date, the current date. Yes. To display the current date using a function, there is a function called today. Here is what you need to do. Select a cell, for example A2, and in the formula bar right here, type an equal sign, then type today, open and close parentheses, and press enter. Today is 13th of November 2023. Okay. Now in cell A2 you will see the current date. The unique feature of using the today function is that it recalculates every time you open your Excel document. For instance, today's date is displayed as 13th of November 2023 in cell A2. If you save the workbook and open it tomorrow, A2 will show you 14th of November 2023. The function updates to reflect the current date each time you open the Excel document. So, if you need a cell in your Excel document to always show you the current date without manually entering it each time, you can simply use the today function. This way, it will automatically update every time you open the Excel document. The second function is the now function, which returns the current date and time. To use it, type an equal sign in the formula. Then type now, open and close parentheses, and press enter. I'm sorry, there is a little bit mistake because I already formatted this cell, so let's put it up here or in another cell like this. Now, open, close, and press enter. Yes, we can see that already it was put it the date and the time, local time. It's crucial to note that the now function displays the current system time. For example, if it's 10:49 on your computer, that's the time that will be shown in the cell C6. If it becomes 10:52, the function will update to display 10:52. Now let's see how you can use the today function. For example, let's merge some cells C5, D5, into one cell, merge and center, and in the formula bar type an equal sign, then type today, and today, add some text. Let's write here text. What we are going to add? Going to add today, open close parentheses, after that comma, and in what format we would like to this text would be reflected. We would like that the day of the week will be present, after that day, month, and year. Close quotes and close parentheses. Press enter. We need some space up here. Let's put it today and write it from the uppercase. today. Today, let's also add, for example, is. Today is Monday, 13th of November 2023. Okay, it works. This is one way to use the today function in parallel with the text function to format the output. Here is how we can use this function with a few more examples. For example, you can enter the formula like this. Today, open and close, plus 5. What we can see? This will give you the current date plus 5 days, resulting in November 18th, 2023. To calculate the number of days from the current date to a specific date, you can use a formula like this. Let's put it this. Okay. DATEDIF here you should write your current date, 13th of November 2023, comma, and for example you need to calculate how many days are left for New Year, yeah, 31st of December 2023, close quotes, comma, and you would like to see how many days. Let's put here D, days, and close parentheses. Press enter. 48. So now we know that 48 days are left to New Year. This formula calculates the difference in days between today's date and December 31st, 2023. If the result shows incorrectly, ensure that the cell format is set to a general or numeric format, where you can use it or choose it. Change it. You should go up here, number. After that, you should point here general or number. For example, if your cell is written in a percentage like this, then if you go for checking, we can see that this category was automatically put it to percentage. Now you have to change to general, for example, or number. It doesn't matter what exactly. And press OK. That this cell would be in such format. Okay. If you want to get the current month, for example, you can use the formula like this. Month, today. Press enter. Oh, now you can see that I received such mistake. So let's go to number and choose general like this. This will give you the numeric representation of the current months. Okay. For calculating someone's age, assuming their birth year is 1984, you can use the formula like this. Year, today, minus 1984, and press enter. 39. This formula subtracts the birth year, 1984 in this example, from the current year, giving you the person's age. Okay, I will put here, it would be years. These functions are dynamic and recalculate automatically when you open the Excel file. If for any reason your functions are not recalculating automatically, you might need to check your Excel settings or use the manual recalculation short, usually F9, to force a recalculation. For example, you have to go to File, Options, after that Formulas, and check whether workbook calculation is put it automatic. Okay, and press OK. Good. So take a look. In the today function, our date is set to November 13th, 2023. Let's save our Excel file, our workbook, and close it. Okay. Check the system time. For me now is 11:04 a.m. Let's wait until 11:10. We'll wait for a little bit. Remember, our time was 10:04 in our cell. And let's open again our Excel workbook. Okay, it's a little bit boring for me to wait so much time. Let's put here again now. We can see that it's 11:05. Okay. The same would happen if I open this file tomorrow. The today function would change to tomorrow's date, November 14th. If for some reason automatic recalculation of formulas is not happening, it means you need to adjust this in Excel settings. Okay, I explained to you before how to do this. Another super powerful feature I'd like to show you is hotkeys. For example, you would like to insert the current date, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus semicolon. Ctrl semicolon. Okay, you have the current date. To insert the current time, use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift semicolon. Okay. If you want to insert both date and time into a single cell, press Ctrl semicolon. After that, press the space bar and finally press Ctrl Shift semicolon and press Enter. Ready. Well, friends, that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, and of course, I look forward to your comments about this lesson. Until the next time. Bye-bye.